Finding a glowing cherry red catalytic converter under your car is enough to make anyone panic. But that intense heat is actually a desperate signal from your engine that something is very wrong with your fuel mixture. When your computer stores a P2098 code, it is telling you that the post-catalyst fuel trim system on bank 2 is running too lean, meaning there is way too much air and not enough fuel in the exhaust after it leaves the converter. Bank 2 is simply the side of the engine that does not contain cylinder number 1. Your car uses oxygen sensors to constantly monitor this balance through a process called cross counts, where the sensor generates its own voltage between 0.2 and 0.8 volts. The goal is to stay right around 0.45 volts to hit that perfect air-to-fuel ratio of 14.7 to 1. If the rear sensor signals that there is too much oxygen, the computer tries to compensate by dumping in more fuel, which can lead to a rough idle, poor acceleration, and that terrifying overheating of the converter. This code can be caused by something as simple as a vacuum leak or a cracked exhaust manifold letting unmetered air into the system. It could also be a clogged fuel filter or a failing fuel pump that just cannot maintain the right pressure. To track this down, you should first look for any other codes like a P0100 for the mass airflow sensor, because a dirty sensor there will throw off the entire calculation. Check your intake for any whistling sounds that indicate a vacuum leak and inspect the exhaust for rust holes or missing gaskets. One old school trick if you have an engine miss is to spray a little water on each exhaust port if the water does not evaporate instantly on one cylinder. You have found your misfire. If you are working on a Jeep or a Chrysler product, pay extra attention to the electrical connectors as they are known for having issues. And check if your computer needs a software update, which is often covered under a long-term emissions warranty. If the sensors are tight and the wiring is good, but the rear sensor stays stuck at a low voltage, it is probably time to replace that sensor. Fixing this early is essential because a lean condition causes pre-ignition or spark knock, which can eventually destroy your engine internals if left unchecked.